Tappy activated. Hi, token geeks! Recently, I've uploaded a guide to TON staking, but if you want your staking journey to be truly electrifying, there's some extra data you need to download. Let's plug into it. Before loading into TON staking, keep in mind there might be some fees. But don't short circuit. These are usually tiny compared to the rewards. Also, don't expect instant gratification. Staking pools need time to generate blocks, so your rewards might take a little while to show up. But hey, good things come to those who wait. Now, numbers. TON staking currently offers rewards ranging from almost 2.5% to 4% annually, depending on factors like the total amount staked and network activity. Just remember, each platform is a little different. Some have minimum staking amounts or specific reward schedules. Plus, in some places, staking rewards might be considered income, so keep taxes on your radar. Finally, here's a little tip. While staking is low risk and free of penalties like slashing, always keep your sensors sharp. Alright, data downloaded. If you're loving these updates, don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all? Tappy deactivated.